Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons. Hello kids! Today we are going to learn school things together.
Hello kids, let's sing today. School supplies help us learn and play. Hello kids, this is a book. It helps us read. Just take a look. Your notebook keeps our writing neat. Every page is such a treat. Pencil writes both big and small. It's the best tool of them all. Your razor makes mistakes all gone. Fix it fast and move along. Sharpener makes pencils new, ready to write for me and you. School supplies are fun to see. They help us learn so easily. Colors bright and tools so cool. We love to use them all at school. A pen can write in colors bright, blue and red, they look just right. Ruler helps to draw a line, straight and perfect every time. A backpack carries things we need, strong and ready, built for speed. Lunchbox keeps our food so clean, snacks inside like we've never seen. Water bottle keeps us strong, take a sip and sing along. Sharpener makes pencils new, ready to write for me and you. School supplies are fun to see, they help us learn so easily. Colors bright and tools so cool, we love to use them all at school. Desk is where we sit and write, working hard with all our might. Chair is comfy, soft and kind, perfect seat for a learning mind. Blackboard is so big and tall, teachers write for one and all. Chalk is white and makes it clear, words we love to see and hear. On whiteboard, shiny, smooth and bright, colors show up bold and right. Jenger Mark writes colors too, red and green or maybe blue. Duster makes the board look new, wipe it clean for me and you. Scissors cut with gentle care, shapes and papers everywhere. Glue sticks papers side by side, stick them fast, they will not slide. Crayons fill with color sweet, drawing pictures can't be beat. School supplies, hooray, hooray, you help us learn in every way. Books and crayons, pens and more, learning's fun, let's
subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.